This is question 522 and probably one of the most important questions on the sheet, and that for many people that are trying to figure out for retirement how much should they try to save so they can have money when they retire to be able to take back out. In this case, we're assuming that you're 25 years old and you want to make a certain payment for the next 40 years, 25 to 65. After that point, starting at the end of the year, you're going to take out $70,000 for each year for 20 years. So the question is, how much do these payments need to be to equal all of these payments? Well, you can't set an annuity equal to an annuity, so you have to combine all of these payments into one lump sum. And we're going to put them, this is a key spot right here because this is where the two numbers merge. So we've got a compound problem in the sense that we have a present value and a future value. So we're going to take, assuming these are all 70s here, 70,000 to the present of this stream, which would be right here, and that would be 70,000 would be your payment, and 20 would be your in, and then of course 10% is your I, and you're going to compute for present value. And present value is going to be 595,949. That means if you had 595,000 when you're 65, that is the same as having 70,000 a year for 20 years. Now you don't just add these up. 70 times 20 is 1.4 million, because that's assuming there's no time value of money. We assume that when our money is sitting here, it's going to continue to get 10% beyond these years. We're going to assume 10% for the last 20 years. That's why we take the present value. Okay, now you're done with that part. Now you just have a simple, how much do you need to invest so that in the future you will have 595. So this now becomes the future value. You are computing for the payment, and there are 40 of them. 40 is in. 10, of course, is still IY, and the payment is equal to roughly, and I'm rounding the numbers off here a little bit, 1346.